This section, what we'll be doing is making this guy to jump around. Okay, so first up, make sure that you adjust the properties of the player. Okay, so previously we had 0000 as is defined in here, but this time, yes, set them to 200 for the jump height, and then 0.3 for the jump duration, and then maximum movement to 400 and 350 on acceleration. If that is done, you can save the scene, and then let's go in and code what this should be able to do. So we'll create a method. I'll just be calling them functions in this case, right? So we'll say set jump action. All right. So this method is going to basically make this guy be jumping around. So inside here we'll create a variable jump up. Okay, jump up is going to be equal to cc dot move by. Okay, so move by is able to make a node move by a certain amount of distance as well as duration. So the amount of time you want it to move to a certain location. So that's basically what that does. You could also use a move to, but this one will move to a specific location. Move by moves by a certain distance. All right. So in this case, this is the one we are going to use. And then this dot jump duration. Remember jump duration? Jump duration refers to this jump duration. So in this case, it's going to be based on 0.3. So 0.3, the beauty is we don't have to explicitly write 0.3 here because we can then adjust it from here if we think 0.3 is too short. Okay, so then we'll go on and say cc.v2, and then in here vec2 takes in an x and a y axis. Okay, an x and a y axis. So on the x-axis, we won't be moving anywhere. It's basically just going to be in the same position. But in the y-axis, we'll be going up. So this dot jump height, all right? So meaning how high will we be going based on whatever we've set on the jump height. So in this case, jump height has 200. So that's how high this blob is going to be jumping. So when we do that, we can then add an easing function. Easing functions help to remove the abruptness, all right, of a movement. You could use an easing function to make it smoother, all right, instead of having an abrupt movement. Okay,